Welcome to Picture Healer channel. This is Shi Tian. Today we are going to look at the monthly Feng Shui for January 2022. And we'll also look at the lucky days to start your year-end cleaning before the Lunar New Year. We all know it's important to have an year-end cleaning to clean out any outdated items and prepare for a fresh start in the new year. Here I have a list of auspicious days to start your year-end cleaning. That's the January 13th, 18th, 22, 25, and 30. Those days are suitable to clean out old and outdated items and start fresh. Another lucky day for cleaning is lunar December 24th. That's on January 26, 2022. And this is a good day to clean out the altar, either religious or ancestors' altar. If you want to clean the incense burner, this is a safe day to clean. If you want to know more about lucky activities of the day or the lucky directions and the conflicting animal signs for each day, you can check out my Feng Shui planner. It's available on our website for digital download and also on Amazon for paperback version. I will have the link in the description box below. Now back to the January Feng Shui. And as usual, the Feng Shui month is defined by the 24 solar turns. So it's from January 5th, the Xiaohan or lesser cold, until February 4th, the Chun, the starting of spring. Another solar turn during this month is major cold, Dahan. That's on January 20th. And on the right side, it's the flying star monthly chart for January 2022. The center is number 3 star. The number 3 star in the flying star is usually related to quarrel, fighting, or legal issues. And it's also related to robbery or money loss. So basically, this is a negative star, and it's not a tiny star in period 8. And here is a combination chart including the monthly chart, yearly chart, and period 8 chart. And for the year, we are still in the ox year until the Chun. So I'm still using the ox year's yearly chart. And here is a summary if you just want to know the best and worst place. The 3 star location is the east this month. The second best is the northeast. And let's start with the center. The number 6 metal star controls the number 3 wood star. This combination shows possibilities for injury, accident, or illness. And the number 3 is related to oldest son, so be careful about injuries for oldest son or the oldest male in the house. And the 3 and 8 combination indicate intelligence. Next is the 6 and 8 combination. Both are lucky stars, so this indicates wealth, luck, and prosperity. And to balance the number 3 and number 6 star, we can add water elements here, such as colors of blue or black, or add a salt water cure to absorb the negative energy and balance star 6 and 3. Next is the west. We have number 5 star. The number 5 is a misfortune star. So this can bring illness and all kinds of obstacles. Both number 8 and the number 1 stars are auspicious. This can bring wealth, luck, fame, and success. And we can place metal Feng Shui cures here. You can place old Chinese coins, a metal clock, bronze bell, or wind chime to reduce the number 5 Earth star. Next is the northwest. The number 4 wood star controls the number 7 metal star. This combination can bring tendency for gossip, fighting between sisters or in-laws. And the star 4 and 9 combination indicates a smart kid. The star 9 fire star controls the star 7, the metal star. So watch out for too much fire energy causing illness or argument. So to balance the energy of northwest, we can reduce fire elements. If you have a lot of red color or sharp triangle shape, we should reduce those. And we can also add earth element such as yellow or brown color to reduce the fire element. And another way is to add a water element such as blue or black color to balance the energy. Next we have the north. We have the number 8 star. The 8 and 2 combination indicates female overpowering male. That usually means the imbalance of the power. And the A2 combination can mean increased wealth lack or possible illness because the number 2 is an illness star. And the 4 and 8 combination can also mean health issues, especially for younger son. And the 2-4 combination shows imbalance of the power between the younger and older females, such as mother-daughter or mother and daughter-in-laws. So in the north area this month, you can see a lot of imbalanced relationship between the male-female and mother-daughter. To reduce the number 2 illness star, you can add metal Feng Shui cure. And it can be any metal objects such as bronze bell, metal clock, and try to avoid construction this month. Next one is northeast. We have number 6 star here. The number 9 fire star controls number 6 metal star. This can mean fame and social status, or it can also mean a rebellious kid. And the 6 and 2 combination indicates increased wealth lack, but also possible weak health, because number 2 is an illness star. And the star 9 and 2 combination, again, increased wealth lack, fame, but possible illness. And this can be related to fire type of disease, such as disease related to blood, eyes, heart, or head. And since number 2 is an illness star, we can reduce with metal objects. And the metal can also reduce the fire element. So that's a good Feng Shui cure for northeast. And since this area shows a lot of increased wealth lack, it's a good place to add money enhancers or any lucky Feng Shui items. Next is the east. We have number 1 star here. The 1 and 4 star combination indicate increased intelligence, fame, promotion, and social popularity. This is a good place to set up a study room so you can pass exam easily or get the promotion. The number 1 and 6 star are also very auspicious. This can bring fame, success, and wealth luck. And the number 6 metal star controls the number 4 wood star. This can mean power, talent, but also possible stress and depression. So pay attention to your emotional health if your bedroom is in this location or if this is your main entrance. But overall, this is the best direction in January. Here we can add water elements such as a water plant or colors of blue or black to balance the energy of number 6 and number 4. Next we have southeast. We have number 2 stars here. And in this corner we have 5 and 2 stars together, and both are inauspicious stars. So there's a strong tendency for illness. And you should place some metal Feng Shui cure to reduce those stars. And the number 2 and 7 combination can mean wealth luck, but possible relationship trouble. We call that rotten peach blossom. If you are not careful with your relationship, they can bring you trouble. And the 5 and 7 star can bring wealth luck, but also illness, argument and legal issues here. So it's important in this corner to add a metal feng shui cure, such as 6-rod metal wind chime or any metal objects to reduce power of number 2 and number 5 stars, and try to avoid construction in southeast in January. Other feng shui cures to reduce illness energy include turtle, dragon turtle, and hulu, the Chinese gourd. You can also display any of them in this area. The next one is the south. We have number 7 star here. The combination of 1 and 7 star can mean wealth luck, but also tendency for relationship trouble. And the star 7 controls the number 3 wood star. This is an inauspicious combination, and it can mean robbery, separation, or legal trouble. And the number 1 water star generates number 3 wood star. This can bring wealth and fame, but also legal trouble or gossip. So overall, this is not an auspicious area, and there's a tendency for legal trouble or relationship trouble. Here we can add a water element, such as salt water cure or black and blue colors to balance the energy. The salt water cure can absorb the negative energy and balance the energy of the stars. Next is the southwest. We have number 9 star here. The number 9 is a very positive star. The number 3 and 9 combination indicates intelligent and impulsive characters. The 9 and 5 combination can mean unexpected happy events or unexpected illness related to the fire type of problems, such as blood, heart, eyes, head, and so on. And the number 3 wood star controls number 5 earth star, and this can indicate illness, obstacle, conflict, or accidents. The 3-5 combination is a bull-5 combination, so it indicates a lot of conflict. And here we can place a metal feng shui cure again to reduce the number 5 misfortune star, because this is an earth star and metal can reduce earth, and avoid construction in this area. So here is a summary for January 2022. The best direction is east and northeast this month. The areas with health concern include north, northeast, southeast, southwest, and west. And when we use the 5 element, it can be color or actual material. You can just keep it simple, and you don't have to always buy expensive feng shui items. But if you want to shop, you can check out our Amazon link page. There are many choices for popular feng shui lucky items. So that's our monthly flying star analysis for January 2022. Remember to check out the link for 2022 Year of the Tiger Feng Shui Planner. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.